When was the last time you saw a meeting occur that should have been an email? Have you seen your team burn through wasted hours because someone had not been clear about a need or goal? Communication failures keep a good company from reaching its goals. Your company is the sum of your human capital. People are your business. The results your team can gain from their efforts are in direct correlation to how they engage and communicate with each other and your customers. Take a direct path to increasing your bottom line results by ensuring that your team communicates clearly, effectively, and efficiently. Engage with your John Maxwell Team DISC Certified Instructor for our DISC training that will unveil the personality and communication styles of each team member and unlock a new level of communication clarity for your business. Gain the critical tools needed to reach the goals you've set.